Hello guys, if you have been playing Forza Horizon 6 with a steering wheel and your clutch is not working properly, then let me quickly show you a really simple fix for it. For me personally, this issue was super annoying because I was already used to driving with clutch in Horizon 5 and Horizon 4, but in Horizon 6, whenever I tried changing gears, it would kind of stutter, almost like the clutch input was not even being detected. At first, I thought maybe my clutch pedal was broken, so I even tried assigning the clutch to a completely different button, and honestly, it still does not work properly. But the fix is actually very easy. What you want to do is open the settings, then go to your controls and create a custom wheel profile. After that, scroll down until you find the clutch option, then simply remap the clutch again. So press on the clutch input and then press your clutch pedal once more to bind it again. For some reason, the game might show something like RS up when you remap it, but that is completely fine. Once you do that, the clutch should start working normally again and the shifting should feel smooth without those weird stutters. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.